Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make orange chicken. Let's start with the sauce. In a medium bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. Or you can also use store-bought orange juice as well. Then 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a cup of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and mix this all together and then place aside. You're also going to need zest from 1 orange and some cornstarch slurry. In a small bowl, I have 1 tablespoon of water and going to add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix together, and this will make the sauce sticky and amazing. Place everything aside for later. Now for the chicken. In a medium bowl, I have 2 eggs that I'm going to whisk up. You're going to need 3 chicken breasts. I want to cut them into bite sizes and then dump the chicken into the bowl and mix in with the eggs. In another medium bowl, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour and going to add in half a cup of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and mix together. Then you're going to add the chicken pieces in the flour mixture and then set on a paper towel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Now in a large skillet, I have about 2 inches of oil that I've placed over medium heat. You want your oil to be at 350 when you start frying. Fry the chicken in batches and cook until golden brown. Once golden, transfer to a cooling rack and continue frying the remaining chicken in batches. While I fry the chicken, I like to start on the sauce. That way everything is warm when finished. Stir the sauce, then place in a skillet over medium-high heat and bring it to a boil. Once your sauce warms up, add in the orange zest and stir it in. Then add in that cornstarch slurry and mix that in and cook until it thickens up for about 5 minutes. Then add the fried chicken to the orange sauce and mix it up. And this orange chicken is ready. We love serving this over some white rice and like to sprinkle some sesame seeds over and some green onions. This orange chicken recipe is so much better than takeout. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this orange chicken recipe. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! Honey. My husband's been craving orange chicken since he's gotten back from deployment, so I'm gonna have him be the taste tester. So come on, honey.
Wow. Looks amazing.
Yummy, huh?
Definitely got to give this recipe a try. Thanks, honey.
Welcome home. Well, if you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!